This academy really has just progressed me to move farther into my life. You can get jobs, you can do side jobs, you can make money doing this, and you can make some good money. There's not a lot of people that know how to do this and do it well.
So this academy is a real life experience of what goes on in the shops. They will understand how cars are constructed, how they're put together. They will understand how to take them apart, put them back together. They'll understand basic hand tools, the difference in collision repair tools versus mechanic tools.
What sparked my interest is I always had a thing for like painting cars. And when I heard about this class, my 9th grade year, I decided to take a class, and ever since then I liked it.
You can learn how to run wires, you can learn how to do interior, seats, tires, body work, paint work, interior work, lights. You can learn how to weld.
Seeing a student grow, especially if they're interested in it, because obviously as an instructor I have a passion for it. So when you see a student have a passion for it, then that really is exciting. There's a lot of need for this out there. People are always looking for technicians.